Going on, it's Roger again with the train reviews. Train as in Trane. Like I said, slightly bigger model than the typical Tamika, and quite a few selection. Great detail and paint. I don't have any of the tracks. Also, these are made in Japan. I covered a couple of models. This one is one I have ridden on, and the model 500, it's the JR 500 Shinkansen. You can find some of them in Japan that are anime wrapped. So pretty cool, and it's the Shinkansen. I believe the one that I saw this past weekend with the anime graphics is Nozomi Limited. So very interesting. Again, just wanted to do a quick review on these. Very great detail, and my son loves them. So yeah. Anyways, just wanted to give you. Oh yeah, I think I didn't say this, but this is number 35. Go down here, number 35. That is the Series 500.